It is so interesting how Facebook displays the icons. You think that every icon is a separate file, but it is not. All these icons are from one single PNG file. Let me show you. Click on one of these icons and inspect it. Here you see the icon element. Every icon has a separate style, and you have background position. So based on the position, it displays the icon from that PNG file. The icon has inline style. Background image, the URL is this. So if you click on the URL, you see this is one PNG file. And based on the position of the background image, it displays that specific icon. Focus on the story. When I disable the background position, you see the other icon. So you see this icon instead of the story, which is this one. So Facebook controls the icons by using the CSS background position property. It is a very smart way to manage icons. Otherwise, loading so many icons is very heavy. And based on the internet speed of the user, it can take very long time to load the website. You know, the size of the file is only 3.9 kilobyte, which is very light. You know, it has to be like this. Facebook is a very big company, and many experienced software engineers work at Facebook. So you also should learn from this and manage the icons the way Facebook does. Thanks for watching. Take care and have beautiful times.